In this video, I'm going to show you how to unblock accounts on TikTok. So on various occasions, you may have blocked different accounts on TikTok, people or users on the platform, and now you want to take time to unblock all these people. TikTok allow you to do this without using a Android or iPhone. So if you don't know this video, you found this video helpful and educative on how you can easily unblock accounts or people on your TikTok account, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now you want to unblock people or accounts on your TikTok. The first one to do is open the TikTok application. Once that's open, click on this profile icon at the bottom right, then click on menu icon at the top right and select settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, you have different options available here that you can just play around with to get the best out of TikTok account. However, since we're interested in seeing the list of blocked accounts on our TikTok page, what you need to do is click on privacy, and once you selected privacy, just scroll down and choose blocked accounts. Once you click on blocked accounts, you see the list of blocked accounts you have on your TikTok page. However, to unblock all these accounts, it is simple. All you need to do is select the list of people you want to unblock on your TikTok account and hit unblock. And once you do that, this account will be unblocked on your TikTok page. So this is how you can easily unblock or access block list on TikTok. So if this is helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.